Imagine a beloved San Antonio nursery transforming into a serene haven where visitors can find solace and inspiration. That's exactly what Shades of Green, one of the city's most cherished nurseries, is set to do. For 4 decades, Shades of Green has been a cornerstone of the community, but this year it's embarking on a new chapter that will redefine its purpose and impact. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow, as Audrey Hepburn once said, encapsulating the spiritual and healing power of nature. Hepburn, a gardener and advocate of simple pleasures, would undoubtedly be proud of Shades of Green's next move. After December, the nursery in Alamo Heights, nestled between Broadway and 281, will close its doors to conventional business and open as a tranquil legacy garden. This public space, still adorned with winding paths, vibrant flowers, and lush nooks, will serve as a sanctuary for reflection, meditation, and inspiration. Managed by the newly formed Shades of Green Legacy Foundation, the garden aims to preserve its natural beauty for future generations, while offering educational opportunities and a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The transition will be overseen by longtime owners Roberta Churchin and Bob Webster, who are donating both the property and its landscape architecture to the nonprofit. We've always cherished the way people come to Shades of Green, not just for plants, but to enjoy the beauty and tranquility it provides, Churchin said. The Legacy Garden will be a peaceful place for gathering, observing nature, and experiencing quiet surroundings. Webster added, "This is our way of thanking the community that has supported us for so many years. We wanted to protect the majestic cypress trees we planted and create a serene sanctuary for learning, inspiration, and contemplation." Once completed, the Legacy Garden will feature accessible walking paths, soothing water features, and dedicated garden areas such as a labyrinth, a reflexology walk, and a children's vegetable garden. These spaces are designed to encourage reflection and foster a love for plants. Pollinator gardens, demonstration beds showcasing organic gardening and sustainable practices, and numerous other verdant niches will create a peaceful atmosphere, offering visitors the chance to learn, thrive, and believe in a better tomorrow. To bring this vision to life, the Shades of Green Legacy Foundation has launched a $10 million capital campaign. The funds raised will be used to build unique structures for indoor and outdoor classes and small community events, create a lush urban oasis, and establish an endowment to support ongoing maintenance and programming. This ambitious project not only promises to transform a beloved nursery into a tranquil haven, but also to educate and inspire the community for generations to come. But here's where it gets controversial. How can we balance the need for urban development with the preservation of natural spaces? As we move forward with this project, it's important to consider the broader implications of such transformations. What other ways can we integrate nature into our urban environments? How can we ensure that these spaces remain accessible and beneficial to all members of the community? These are questions worth pondering as we celebrate the evolution of Shades of Green into a legacy garden.